Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export faster on CapCut and reduce lag using a few quick and easy settings. So once your video is fully edited, go to the top right corner of CapCut and click the export button. So this will open a window where you can adjust the settings before saving your video. So first, I want you to choose H.264 as the codec. So this option gives you a good video quality without making the file size too large, which can also help the exporting process run more smoothly. After that, select the same resolution that you use while editing your project. So in most cases, this will be 1080p or 4K. Next, set the frame rate based on the original video. So choose 30 frames per second for standard videos or 60 frames per second if your footage was recorded at a higher frame rate. Then I want you to enter a name for the video and then select the folder where you want to save it. So once everything is ready, click export and allow CapCut to render the video. So the time it takes will depend on your video and your computer's performance. After the export is complete, you can clear CapCut's cache to free up any space or storage and then help reduce lag. So click the settings icon in the top right corner, then open cache management, and from there, select clear cache to remove temporary files that may be taking up extra space or slowing down the app. And now you have your exported video with useful quality settings and cleared the cache to help CapCut run more smoothly during your next project. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.